The luxury motorhome. A motorhome is not just a vehicle, it is a lifestyle, a dream on wheels, and a symbol of freedom. In today's fast-paced world, where schedules are tight and lives feel crowded, the idea of carrying your home with you wherever you go feels almost magical. A luxury motorhome transforms travel into an experience of comfort, elegance, and independence. It allows you to explore the world without leaving behind the warmth, safety, and familiarity of home. For many people, travel means booking hotels, packing and unpacking bags, adjusting to new rooms, and following fixed check-in and check-out times. A motorhome changes all of that. It gives you control over your journey. You decide where to stop, how long to stay, and when to move on. Whether you are parked by a quiet lake, standing near a mountain range, or enjoying the view of an endless highway, your home is always right there with you. Luxury motorhomes take this freedom to the next level. They combine the spirit of adventure with the comfort of high-end living. You don't have to choose between exploration and elegance. You can have both. Design. One of the most impressive aspects of a luxury motorhome is its design. Every detail is carefully planned to create a space that feels open, refined, and welcoming. From the exterior lines to the interior layout, luxury motorhomes are designed to make a statement. The exterior often features sleek finishes, premium paintwork, and modern lighting that gives the vehicle a powerful and elegant presence on the road. Inside, you will find high-quality materials such as leather seating, wooden panels, soft ambient lighting, and carefully chosen color palettes that create a calm and sophisticated atmosphere. Living area. The living area of a luxury motorhome is designed for relaxation and social connection. Comfortable sofas, adjustable seating, and smart layouts make it easy to unwind after a long day of driving or exploring. Many motorhomes include entertainment systems with large screens, surround sound, and smart connectivity, allowing you to enjoy movies, music, or even work remotely. The kitchen. A luxury motorhome kitchen is a perfect example of how practicality and elegance come together. These kitchens are equipped with modern appliances such as induction cooktops, ovens, refrigerators, and sometimes even dishwashers. Storage is cleverly designed to hold everything you need without cluttering the space. Cooking in a motorhome can be a joyful experience. You can prepare fresh meals using local ingredients from places you visit, turning each stop into a culinary adventure. The kitchen allows you to maintain healthy eating habits while traveling, and it adds a sense of normalcy and comfort to life on the road. Sharing meals inside your motorhome or outside under the open sky creates memories that hotels simply cannot offer. It turns travel into a personal and meaningful experience. Bedroom. After a long journey, rest is essential. The bedroom in a luxury motorhome is designed to be a private sanctuary. High-quality mattresses, soft bedding, and thoughtful lighting ensure a peaceful and comfortable sleep. Many bedrooms include wardrobes, storage drawers, and even small desks or vanity areas. Privacy is an important element, especially for families or couples traveling together. Separate sleeping areas or smart partitions allow everyone to have their own space. Falling asleep in a motorhome, knowing that tomorrow brings a new destination, creates a unique sense of excitement and calm at the same time. Bathroom. The bathroom in a luxury motorhome proves that you do not have to sacrifice comfort while traveling. These bathrooms often feature spacious showers, modern toilets, stylish sinks, and high-quality fittings. Some even include heated floors or premium water systems. Technology and smart features. Modern luxury motorhomes are packed with advanced technology. Smart control panels allow you to manage lighting, temperature, water systems, and entertain. Meant with just a touch. GPS navigation, driving assistance systems, and safety features make long journeys smoother and more secure. Many motorhomes are also designed for off-grid living. Solar panels, powerful batteries, and efficient water systems allow you to stay independent for extended periods. This means you can enjoy remote locations without sacrificing comfort or connectivity. Technology turns the motorhome into a smart, self-sufficient living space that adapts to your lifestyle. Luxury motorhome interior. The interior of a luxury motorhome is designed to redefine the meaning of comfort on the road. From the moment you step inside, you are welcomed into a space that feels refined, spacious, and thoughtfully crafted. Every element is carefully planned to create a balance between modern luxury and practical living, ensuring that the motorhome feels like a true home rather than just a vehicle. The living area is the heart of the interior. Plush leather seating, soft fabrics, and elegant finishes create an atmosphere of relaxation and sophistication. Large panoramic windows allow natural light to flood the space, offering breathtaking views of the surroundings while making the interior feel open and airy. Ambient lighting adds warmth in the evening, transforming the motorhome into a calm and inviting retreat after a long journey. Moving into the bedroom, the focus shifts to rest and privacy. A luxury mattress, premium bedding, and soft lighting ensure deep and peaceful sleep. Built-in wardrobes and storage compartments keep the space organized without feeling cluttered. The bedroom is designed as a personal sanctuary, offering comfort and calm wherever the journey takes you. A lifestyle for families. One of the most beautiful things about motorhomes is that they suit different types of travelers. Families enjoy the bonding time and shared adventures. Children learn about nature, responsibility, and adaptability while traveling with their parents. Emotional value. Luxury. Motorhomes enhance this emotional value by removing stress and discomfort from travel. When you are comfortable, relaxed, and secure, you can fully enjoy the journey. You become more present, more aware, and more connected to the world around you. Sustainability and conscious travel. Many modern luxury motorhomes are designed with sustainability in mind. Efficient engines, eco-friendly materials, solar energy systems, and water-saving technologies help reduce environmental impact. This allows travelers to explore responsibly while enjoying comfort. Conscious travel is becoming more important, and motorhomes offer a way to connect with nature while respecting it. Staying closer to the environment often increases awareness and appreciation for the planet. The future of luxury travel. The popularity of motorhomes is growing as people seek flexible, meaningful, and safe ways to travel. Luxury motorhomes represent the future of travel, where comfort, freedom, and personalization come together. As technology continues to advance, motorhomes will become even more efficient, smart, and sustainable. They will continue to redefine how we think about travel and home. A luxury motorhome is more than a vehicle. It is a statement of independence, a symbol of comfort, and a gateway to unforgettable experiences. It allows you to design your own journey, live on your own terms, and carry your home wherever life takes you. In a world that often feels rushed and restricted, a motorhome offers space to breathe, time to reflect, and freedom to explore. It reminds us that the road itself can be home, and that true luxury lies in the ability to choose our own path.